and SHA, we have now seamlessly agreed that these facilities must be under radar.
Jatend migao mar wuotho Davis Chirchir oyango ni ndeke ma JKIA oseyudo heka 1012 mar yaro ndeke no kochakore dwe mar auchiel higa ni. Chirchir oyango ni gimanyo kambi madhi tayo chenro mag yaro kambi no kendo kwayo oseor ging'iyo yore mag yaro ndeke no kaluwore kod kwan mamalo mag jowuoth matiyo gi ndeke no kanyakla kod osigo mamedore. Gisani chenro mar rango chal ndeke no osechaki motelo ne chako gedo mare mar neno ni ochope rang'iny mar ndeke madongo e pinje mamoko.
Our airport today being, like you've had, a destination airport, we're not a transit, because like Gedi did acknowledge that most travelers coming into Kenya are coming into Kenya either for one reason or another. They are not transiting. And then therefore, when we don't have the kind of airport that Ethiopia, one of our competitors, built in Bole Airport, or Rwanda, Bukasera, and so on and so forth, we can run the disadvantage of losing that economic opportunity that a multimodal travel network do provide to an economy like Kenya. We've retained, I've talked a bit about financing. We've retained a Trade Development Bank to work with us as lead arrangers together with the Africa Finance Corporation in doing the financial structuring and lead arrangers, because I did say that 70% will be done through debt, and debt that from a project finance perspective, that will be managed from the future cash flows, and therefore this has to be a bankable project. We have to be very sensitive to ensure that we do present the true position from traffic profiles based on historical performance and so on and so forth.
Kwayo koro gol ne jotelo mondo kik giti gi rawere kelo koko rombe mag siasa kako senonore